Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
Start by reproducing the crash consistently to gather useful information. Note the exact steps and time when the crash occurs to match log entries. Open Windows Event Viewer or game logs and record error codes and module names. Check system specs and note memory like 16 GB RAM and storage like 512 GB SSD. Confirm GPU driver version, such as 531, 41, and record frame rates during the crash. This focused diagnosis makes the next fixes targeted and efficient for immediate troubleshooting. Start with driver updates and reinstall the official GPU package from the vendor website. Use the game launcher to verify files and repair corrupted downloads before deeper steps. Lower in-game settings like texture quality to 50% and set resolution to 1920x1080 for stability. Temporarily disable overlays from apps like Discord and Steam to eliminate conflicts. Increase virtual memory to 16 GB or free at least 15 GB of disk space for paging. Restart the PC after each change to ensure. If common fixes fail, perform a clean reinstall of the game to remove lingering corruption. Consider rolling back to a previous stable game build or driver like 526, 98 for controlled testing. Generate full crash dumps and include event viewer logs, steps to reproduce, and hardware specs when contacting support. Test on a different user profile or a clean OS environment to isolate account or system-level issues. As a last resort, document timings and submit a reproducible minimal case to developers for a targeted patch.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.